Naples, a city of sunlight, chaos, and centuries of history stacked layer upon layer. And right off its shimmering coast sits one of Italy's most curious landmarks, the Castel dell'Ovo, or Castle of the Egg. Now, you might be wondering, why the egg castle? According to legend, the Roman poet Virgil placed a magical egg deep within the castle's foundations. As long as that egg remained unbroken, Naples would be safe. But if it ever cracked, the city would fall. It's a myth, of course, but one that captures the strange magic of Naples perfectly. The fortress itself is the oldest castle in Naples, with roots stretching back to Roman times. It was built on what was once the island of Megaride, where the Greeks first founded a settlement, long before the Romans arrived. Later, it became the site of Lucullus's villa, a luxurious retreat for the wealthy Roman general known for his extravagant feasts. The word Lucullan actually comes from him. By the 12th century, the Normans transformed this rocky island into a true fortress. Over the centuries, it was expanded and fortified by the Swabians, Angevins, and Aragonese, each leaving their architectural fingerprints on its walls. From here, the rulers of Naples could command the bay, watching over merchants, invaders, and empires coming and going. The castle's strategic location made it both a palace and a fortress, a place of beauty and defense. But Castel dell'Ovo is only one part of Naples' triple crown. A short walk inland brings you to Castel Nuovo, the grand fortress palace built by the Angevins as a symbol of royal power. And high above the city sits Castel Sant'Elmo, a star-shaped stronghold offering sweeping views of Mount Vesuvius and the Gulf below. Together, these three castles tell the full story of Naples, from myth and empire to monarchy and revolution. Today, Castel dell'Ovo stands peacefully by the marina, surrounded by cafes and fishermen's boats. Its towers no longer guard against invaders, but its legend, the egg that holds Naples' fate, still lives on in the heart of every Neapolitan. A castle born from myth, standing for over 1,000 years. Castel dell'Ovo isn't just stone and sea. It's the soul of Naples itself.